Osseo Senior High Chemistry, how you doing today? This is Mr. Trimuka, just going with my weekly or midweek check-in for you here. Right now, we are in the middle of Solutions or Solutions A, and hopefully you have started that up, made a little progress on it, and are doing well. With that, the quiz is more or less due on Friday, right? Okay, that's our normal thing. It will technically, it's usually opened up till about Tuesday of the next week if you are lagging behind a little bit. I'm going to keep it open till the end of the year, okay? And I've decided that I'm going to be doing that with all of the other formatives up to this point as well. So chemistry A and B and C and D, and there you go, okay? Some of you have made great progress on this. Some of you took the last test this last weekend or last Friday. I had 4 4s so far. That's amazing. That's great because I know that molar mass and the mole and stoichiometry, the subjects of C and D, were pretty tough. Okay. And considering that you weren't able to get direct instruction on everything when it came down to that, yeah, pretty tough stuff. And a lot of you figured that out really, really well. So congrats to you. Keep it up. Keep kicking some butt. All right. For those of us who didn't quite get that done, okay, or you struggled getting through it, whatever the case may be, those formative folders, the learning plans are still open. All right. I'm going to keep them open in hopes that you can find the time to get in there and open those things up and come seek help from me if you are struggling with any of that. Okay. I don't want you to get so discouraged that you just throw in the towel. Okay. So hopefully you are seeing this and are hearing me loud and clear. And that's really about all I can say on that. Go in and open those things up if you haven't and get going. Get going on it. All right. Yeah, there are other things coming up next week that are finishing up the year here. Okay. And I'm going to learn, I'll let you know more about that on Monday, but don't worry about that right now. If you missed any of the first 2 tests, that really has decimated your grade at this point. Go take a look. Schoolview or Synergy is all updated at this point. Okay. So go in there and check it out. Okay. And it's not going to be pretty for everybody. I'll just be completely honest there. But here's the thing. I put zeros in where you have not done well or have not completed something. All right. I put those in so you know what your grade is going to be if you do nothing about it. I could leave them blank, but that doesn't calculate into your grade. So I put a 0 there. All right. So those zeros that you see are fixable if you so choose to do that. But you got to make that choice. You got to make that first step. All right. And if that's the case, and I had somebody talk to me about a week ago that was in that situation, I'm hopeful that they are continuing to progress through the material. All right. And I encourage others that are in that same situation to do the same. Reach out to me, though. You got to keep the communication lines open. I am not a mind reader like this, all right? It doesn't work for me. You got to talk to me. You got to come in contact with me, email me, virtual contact, you know what I mean? The Google Meets. Open it up. Some of you are avoiding it like it's the plague or like it's COVID-19, I should say, right? Don't, man. It's all right. Okay, get in there and get a little help from me if you need it. All right. I have this wonderful webcam thing all set up. It's all great. I can show you examples on everything. And usually it even works, which is a bonus, right? So, but either way, in all seriousness, get involved with it. All right, get involved with it. You can do it with a little bit of help. All right. So if you're struggling, come get that help. Okay. I really want you to feel like you can be successful, at least earn a passing grade in chemistry trimester 3. All right. Beats the crap out of having to make it up during summer or next fall. Okay. So come get some help if you need it. Okay. Come see me, come ask the questions. Don't be shy. Right. Don't worry about it. Just get in there and let's get it done. All right. I want to see you at Google Meets, 11 o'clock a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. Now, if you don't wake up till after that, I can't help you. I'm sorry. Okay, you have to email me, and hopefully you get a hold of me. But otherwise, get there. All right. So that also has to do with our tests. I've had. I'm going to be honest. Less than half you took the test this last time. If you need me to open up the test, currently it is not open. But if you need me to, because you have finished all of your formative work, your chemical reactions, ABCD, all right, and you want to take care of either of those tests that we've taken so far, all you got to do is email me or meet me in Google Meets or something like that and email me through Schoology. Okay, that's how it gets to me. And I'll look over your work. Okay, if your work is done, I'll open it up for you. No worries. Okay, I I try and get back to you as soon as I possibly can. All right, and I think I've been pretty good about that. So trust the system, and we'll get it done. All right. Now, that being said, here, I don't really think I have anything else on my list that I really wanted to talk to you about at this point. Okay, but I guess that's all I'll say for now. Okay. So if you're on track to get the solutions taken care of by this Friday, kick butt, keep it going. We'll start with something new on Monday. Monday looks like it's going to be more of a project based situation for the last 3 weeks. Okay. I don't have all the details to give you right now, but that'll come. All right. So that's all I think I have for now. Stay safe, stay positive. If you're behind, I don't care. Let's go. Let's get some of this stuff done. Come talk to me. All right. If you have crazy circumstances, because I don't know everybody's circumstances, and you think that's going to help me understand what's going on so I can help you out with this or that or whatever it might be, let me know. What can it hurt, right? I can work with things if I know about things. So that's all I got. Stay healthy. Peace out. See y'all.